Hi guys, today I'm going to share my review of Ingram's Marina and RV Park in Quincy, Florida. When I arrived at Ingram's, I was greeted by a gentleman in a golf cart who guided me to a nice level concrete pad. He was then kind enough to give me a ride in the golf cart up to the office. The staff is very friendly and informative here. The lady at the front desk informed me there was free coffee in the morning, but the catch was that you had to walk behind the counter and pour your own coffee. This was per local health regulations. Now, I'm all about free coffee, but it was time to ask the important questions. Where do I buy beer? Again, excellent guest service. She actually walked outside with me, pointed me across this little bridge, and not 100 yards away was another little store at the marina. This is where I spotted the first white squirrel. As it turns out, this is not an albino. This is actually a genetic mutation, and it's quite common here in the Tallahassee area. Now, what I'm about to show you next is even more rare than the white squirrel. In fact, there are probably only a few left in the entire world, and I couldn't believe I spotted one. Nope, that's not it. And that's not it either. It's a payphone in a lake. Now, if you don't appreciate a payphone in a lake, you might be living a life of disenchantment. When I was researching this campground, I stumbled upon a review that kind of portrayed it in a negative light because they said it wasn't so much an RV park as it was a fishing camp. Now, I respect that it wasn't their scene, I get that, but to me this is very much an RV park because there's at least 50 full hookups, but it is clearly a fishing camp. But to me, this is what full-time RVing is all about. It's about a variety in life and experiencing new cultures, and this is definitely a unique culture. Everybody's criteria is different, and for me, clean restrooms and showers are probably more important than the next person. Now, I'm not going to tell you these showers are immaculate, but they do a pretty bang-up job considering they have a bunch of fishermen on this property every day. Now, I do believe I'm going to get 10% better at fishing every year that I spend time camping on the East Coast where there's a lot more lakes and rivers in the campground. Alright, so not a single bite on the hot dog. Now, fishing with live bait that glows in the dark just doesn't seem natural or right to me somehow, but I went ahead and went to the store and bought me some to see if I would have better luck than I did with the hot dogs, and I didn't. So I eventually resigned and gave the worms to my fishing partner there at the dock, and he promptly caught a 5-pound catfish. I would definitely stay at Ingram's Marina again. Beautiful location. I mean, you don't have to go anywhere, even though you're minutes from Tallahassee. The folks that work here are really nice, and you have everything you need right here on site. At the time of this recording, Ingram's is a Passport America park, so you save 50% on this campground. Passport America is like $44 a year, something like that. So if you'd like to go ahead and sign up now, check out the link in my description. Go ahead and click on that, sign up today. Aww. Okay guys, so important to the growth of my channel. If you liked what you see and you'd like to see more valuable content, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. That helps my channel grow. And subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. Okay, that's all I got right now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.